Let's see how we can upload any image as the logo of our WordPress website. So to do that, at first we have to log in our WordPress dashboard. Then we need to keep our cursor on appearance. From there we need to select here customize. Okay, then we will get the interface like this. From there we need to select here header section. Then we need to select logo. And here we need to click on change logo. Then we need to select here upload files. Select files. Then click here open after selecting the image. If we want, we can write alter text, title, caption, description. Then we need to select here select. Now we need to adjust the image size to full. Then click here skip cropping. Now click publish. And here you can see the image is changed.